Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see Test 3 of English Grammar. Rewrite the sentences with the correct punctuation. We have to rewrite this with the correct punctuation. I'll just write it here. Here, Rajan went into the jungle alone. R capital, went into the jungle alone. After alone, full stop. Mother says that Tony should drink a glass of milk every day. Mother, M capital, says that Tony, T capital, should drink a glass of milk every day. Full stop. Plants, trees, animals and birds are important parts of our environment. P capital, comma, trees, comma, animals and birds are important parts of the environment. Full stop. Ravi told us not to go to the park without him. R capital, and after him, full stop. Ouch, I have hurt my leg. Ouch, after ouch, exclamatory mark, then I capital, full stop. Okay? Next. State whether the sentences are assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. It is a hot day today. Assertive. How I wish we had won the game. Exclamatory. Are you going to your friend's house? Interrogative. Come here at once. Imperative. Always be careful while crossing the road. Imperative. Okay. Next, underline the adverbs and state their types. The policeman blew the whistle loudly. Adverb of manner. Will you reach there on time? There. Adverb of place. We are going for a picnic tomorrow. Adverb of frequency. I saw him often at the bus stop. Often. Adverb of time. Oh, sorry. There's a mistake. Tomorrow. This is not frequency. Okay? This is adverb of time. Okay? No, not frequency. Frequency means oftenly. So this is frequency. Adverb of adverb of frequency. Okay, understood? So third one is adverb of time and fourth one is adverb of frequency. We will meet soon. Adverb of soon. Adverb of time. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions. Put the jug dash the table on. I sat dash my desk to complete the work at. The teacher stood dash me in the class. The teacher stood beside. Mohan ran dash his mother to give her the good news. Ran to. We went to Goa dash car by. Okay. Next. Fill in the blanks with the suitable conjunctions. He is tall dash his sister is short. He is tall but his sister is short. She is friendly dash smart. Friendly and smart. My brother was unwell dash we took him to a doctor. So, Kriti was crying dash she had lost her new book. Because she had lost. My mother was happy dash she had bought a new laptop. As dash you exercise regularly, you will be fit. If. Next. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. The driver applied the dash suddenly. Brake. The afternoon dash was hot and unbearable. Afternoon sun. The doctor asked me to take only a single dash of the medicine. Dose. The dash of the room is leaking. Ceiling. Can you dash me? Can you hear me? Form nouns from these words. Accept, acceptance. Childish, childishness. Act, action. Choose, choice. Comfortable, comfort. Happy, happiness. Okay. Next, form verbs from these words. boredom, bored, belief, believe, disturbance, disturb, growth, grow, injury, endure, movement, move. Understood? For this we finished the test 3. Tomorrow we will start our textbook lessons. Okay? Thank you.